Welcome to ArtMagic.
Volleyball. Start with a circle for the body of the ball. Add curved lines inside to represent the panels. Finish with a net pattern on the surface. Basketball. Begin with a large circle. Draw two curved lines across the circle to create the seam. Football. Sketch an elongated oval shape for the outline of the ball. Add stitching details along the edges with short, straight lines. Shade the ball to give it dimension and depth. Cricket ball. Start with a small circle. American football. Draw a long, tapered oval shape for the body of the ball. Add stitching details along the edges with short, straight lines. Shade the ball to give it a textured appearance. Tennis ball. Begin with a circle. Add intersecting curved lines across the surface to create the seam. Finally, add shading to give the ball a vibrant green color. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.